The Excel Proficiency course actually is two courses in one. It's aimed at either one audience that's perhaps the person who's an Excel user who's new to the program or is coming back to it and now requires a bit of a confidence boost, so could start off getting a thorough grounding in the basics, work one-to-one and become confident in using Excel to manipulate and present data. A more experienced user might want to start further along the agenda and make sure they're fully confident with things like Excel tables, pivot charts, and then slicers and dashboards, and then move into things like data extraction using various functions and perhaps things like VLOOKUPs. There's a detailed agenda available for you to pick and choose from, and the course is run in a supportive one-to-one environment. To find out more, please get in touch via the website.